Introducing Abra Cadabra. This is an autonomous agent that can control your Chrome browser through a Chrome extension. Yes, you heard me. Now, I'm not going to talk too much. I'm just going to show you what it can do. I'm going to go to google.com and I'm going to tell it to post the latest news on my Facebook page. Watch this. So here I am. I'm going to click on mouse control. And now you're going to see something incredible. You can see this mouse over here. This is the Abra Cadabra mouse. It has full access to your computer and it can navigate between pages and learn and do work and do multi-step workflows. Now, it's more than just this kind of simple tool. You can actually set up custom workflows with it, and you can save favorite prompts so that you never have to remember them. For example, let's say you had a shopping list. You could save it into the custom prompts, the saved prompts. And then every time you need to do your shopping, you just click once and it will add all your products to cart and even put them and buy them and even check out if you wanted to. Don't worry though, you can also add custom prompts to make sure that it never actually checks out if you want. And there's lots of safety features built in. While it's doing work, you can actually talk to it by clicking the chat button. See the chat button here? If I click on that and I say, make the final post only a 2 or 3 liner post on my Facebook page, for example. So now I've kind of given it instructions mid-action, so it can actually not just provide like a massive amount of information, rather it's only going to provide 3 lines of information in the final result, and that was done in the middle of the process. Now, as you can see, it hasn't yet responded, but now it has, processing a request. Now it has the information in the final Facebook post. It's not going to post too much. Now I can close that. Another thing you can do with this is actually click on this up here. It's an action. You can ask about the page by clicking on this over here. So this is separate. This is just asking about the page. What is this page about? And click send. And then you can just talk to the AI, just discuss about the page, get information, summaries. And as you can see, the information about the stolen $100 million from that just happened today. This is another feature of this unbelievable autonomous agent, and this is all happening while it's doing your job. Now, you have to understand, you can run many of these at one go. You could just open multiple browsers and have it do multiple jobs for you, so you don't have to wait and waste time, because right now it's pretty slow as it's in beta. Now, additionally, I was talking to you earlier about the favorites. So while it's still gathering all the news, let's go to the functions, like the favorites over here. If you click on the star button right up here, you can actually select rules for different websites. For example, let's say you wanted certain rules. So let's go to my saved rules so we can see this. So I have a rule for google.com. Let me just edit that. Have a look at this rule. Whenever I'm on google.com, I'm letting the AI know that my Facebook page to post on is this. So this is going to be known by the autonomous agent whenever it's on google.com. So you can customize this autonomous agent regardless what website you're on. And you can set rules for every page of the internet. So for example, if you're on walmart.com, you could say never check out, just add items to cart, for example, over here. That way, that will keep your autonomous agent working for you. Now, recently, ChatGPT have released Atlas for their custom browser, but this will work on Chrome, so you don't need to start using a new browser. And additionally, this is much cheaper than Atlas. And here we go, guys. We're already at the stage where this autonomous agent is about to fill in this post, this new post, which was just created from the news of the internet. So let's watch that right now. It's about to click on what's on your mind, and then it's going to put the 3 lines of text. So as you can see, you could also have it post on multiple different locations. Like you could have it run on Facebook, then Twitter, then Discord, and you can actually watch it live and make sure that it's doing exactly what you want. So this AI autonomous agent works on Google Chrome, So here we go. It's posting the latest news on my profile, which is exactly what I asked it to do. It's had no problems, and I've even told it to summarize. Remember, I told it to write only 3 lines of news and not write more than that, and it's actually adhered to that, even though I told it in the middle of its job. So it's basically an all-in-one agent, autonomous agent, and it works for you. Very, very user-friendly. It's a very simple. You just click on the agent and you type what you want the agent to do and click mouse control. That's all. That's all there is to it. Now, when you first sign up, you are going to need to add your API key, because the API key is going to be your private API key, because all your data is yours. You're going to be paying Google Gemini for use of their API. It's not that expensive to use. It really is pretty cheap. For example, an hour of doing this costed me about $1 or something like that. So it's really, really cheap, and it could do a lot of work for you. And regarding the Abra Cadabra itself, it's free to use for 7 days. So give it a try and see if it works and it does what you need it to. Thank you for watching this video. Let's make sure it's actually posted. Let's check it out. Yes, it's posted. Fantastic. Oh, it's done a draft. So here. Sorry. It's posted. Here we go. Latest news. Here we are. Fantastic. It did it. Fantastic. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you add this to Chrome and give it a go. Bye for now.